Do you know many people are having trouble with their lacrosse weather station's outdoor display, going blank? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Initiate search. Hold the TEMP button to search for the outdoor sensor while watching for the animated reception indicator. Step 2. Reset power. Bring the sensor indoors. Remove power from both the sensor and station for a short reset. Step 3. Discharge station. Press any button on the station 20 times to discharge it, then wait a moment. Step 4. Replace batteries. Install fresh alkaline batteries into the outdoor sensor and reconnect power to the weather station. Step 5. Re-establish connection. Wait for the station and sensor to reconnect automatically. By following these steps, your lacrosse weather station's outdoor display should be working again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other lacrosse technology users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.